So I have this setup with the Raspberry Pi that you can see running here, and also I have this cloud server running on my computer, so I can access the cloud server from the browser. And this is the terminal that I use to access the cloud server command. And then I also have another screen here that I use to access the Raspberry Pi from a real VNC viewer. So other than that, I also have a tablet here that is connected to my Raspberry Pi that I can also use to access the records, the OpenMRS from the Raspberry Pi. So I just go to Chrome and then open OpenMRS like that. So it connects to the Raspberry Pi. We currently we call it MediPi Care. So that is the one. So I'm just going to log into the Raspberry Pi here using the credentials on the tablet. There we go. So we have the Raspberry Pi OpenMRS running here on the tablet. This is the cloud server. From the IP address you can see it is the cloud server. So we'll also log into the cloud server. This is the cloud server. I'll search for a patient here on the cloud server. For example, unique patient. There is no such a record. So we can create the record here on the Raspberry Pi. And just say we're creating a record here on the Raspberry Pi. So let's say we say unique patient, unique record, unique record. The patient is female, born on that day, and that month, and that year, lives in Nairobi. And then the rest are optional. I'll just confirm creating this record on the Raspberry Pi. So this is created on the Raspberry Pi, a unique record. And once that is done, we will try to run the sync records, the OpenMRS sync service. So I'm going to journal the sync service to see what is happening in the background. So currently you can see that the OpenMRS sync service is deactivated. So I'll just start it by doing sudo systemctl start. Now you can see on this side it says started OpenMRS sync.service. So once that one has kicked on, I can go to the server command line and also do the same tail there. And when I do the same tail there, you can see it is showing a tail of commands that are going on currently. So yeah, it's receiving requests, API requests to an endpoint called API sync. Yeah, so that means the synchronization is currently going on for that record that we just created. Now that is not all. Once we have those records synced, if you come and search for unique patient, you still may not find the patient because OpenMRS has something called search indexing. So we're going to just rebuild the search index on the cloud server. And this might take a while, but I haven't fully automated it. So this part for rebuilding the search index, I tried automating it, but I think it needs an authenticated user or something like that. So I still do it manually at the moment. So once you authenticate that, then now you can see we find the unique record that we just created. So you can search there and see unique record. And then you can open that unique record. So it's already synced over to the cloud server. And that is how the synchronization works. Thanks.